Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Embarrassment from Inside Out, so come join me. Alright everyone, so let's get started with Embarrassment from Inside Out. I'm super excited. He's a really cool character, so let's start. First thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his nose, and his nose is pretty big. We're going to draw it like an oval, and I'm going to draw it towards the top of the paper. So I'm just going to draw a big oval right over here. His nose is really big, so that's why I drew it like this. We're not gonna draw a mouth because he's wearing a hoodie and he's pulling his strings, so we won't see that. We could draw the rest of his head from here. So in on the oval, we're gonna draw a big hill, almost like a rainbow. So I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna come up, and then I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna keep going around till I get to the other side of the nose. That's his head. And then from there, we could draw the details of his face. So we're gonna draw two round eyes, and we're gonna attach it to the bottom of his nose, or the top of his nose. And here, I'm just gonna come around and make a circle. And the only thing with the circle is we're just not drawing the bottom of the circle. We're just gonna close it like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And we could draw the details of his eyes. So towards the right of the eye, I'm gonna do like a little half circle, or like a smiley face. And then attached to that one, I'm gonna draw a circle, like a regular size circle, just like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. So there we have his eyes. And the next thing we could do is draw his eyebrows. So right above his eyes, I'm gonna draw his eyebrows. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come across like this, a line. I'm gonna make a loop, and then I'm just gonna connect it here. That's one eyebrow. And this eyebrow is gonna curve up. Looks like he's kind of frowning a bit. And I'm gonna come up like this, make that same loop I did over here, loop it, come back, and at this end, I'm just gonna draw two spikes like this. So there we have his eyebrows. He looks like a little bit worried. This one's like frowning a bit. And we could draw his hair. So his hair, he has like bangs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw like spikes for his bangs. And from here, I'm gonna come from this side of the head, come up, come down as if I was making a triangle. This looks like a triangle right here. Or as if I'm making zigzag lines. Come up again, come down like a triangle, curve back up. And we're just gonna continue doing like these zigzag lines through his whole forehead. So I'm gonna come back down to his eyebrow. I'm not gonna pass his eyebrow. And I'm gonna continue here. And I'm gonna come down here to the side of his head. So those are his bangs. He also has like a little piece of hair sticking up, so we could draw that. We'll come up here as if we're drawing a triangle. So we'll go up to a point, back down, and then I'll draw a smaller hill, like a smaller mountain, and then back down to his head. So that's his face. And then from there, we could draw his hoodie. So his hoodie goes right around his head. And it's gonna be the same rainbow that we made, the same line, just around. So I'm gonna start on this side again, and I'm gonna come up. This is gonna be his hoodie. And I'm gonna go around. I'm not gonna pass the hair. So I'm just gonna pretend I'm going through here. Continue on this side. Come around. And then I'll stop right over here. I don't go to the nose because the hoodie also goes around his mouth. So I'm gonna continue that. And I'm gonna do the outline around the mouth. So I'm gonna also go here and just go around. It's like we're tracing the lines we did already. And then I'll just connect it right there. So that's his hoodie. He's pulling it tight, right? So what we could do next is draw his whole shoulder. So what we have left is his shoulder, his hoodie, and his legs. So from here, we're gonna draw the hoodie, the back of the hoodie, and it shows a little bit in the front. So what I'm gonna do is, towards the top of the hoodie, I'm gonna come down and make a curve, not all the way at the bottom of his mouth, but like midway through his nose. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna draw a line that goes out, and then from here, I'm gonna curve it to his nose, just like that. That's part of his hoodie. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So that's part of his hoodie. And then we could draw the rest of his sweater, which is gonna be the same shape, just bigger, coming out and then down. So what I could do is I'm gonna come down here a bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw one horizontal line. So I'm gonna leave some space for his sweater. And right here, I'm gonna draw a horizontal line just like this, right across. I left some space for his sweater, and I made it the same length of the hoodie. So from there, we're gonna make this same shape And we're just gonna draw a line lower from here, connect it here. So I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna come down, make that same line, and then from here, I'm gonna curve it in to this horizontal line we just made. It's the same shape. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side.
Nice job.
That's his hoodie. He has really big, broad shoulders, so that's why it's super wide. And then from here, we could draw the details of his pants and his shoes. So from what else would be left is just his hands. So we're almost there, guys. So for his pants, right where I drew the horizontal line, I'm gonna draw a slanted line coming this way. So I'm gonna draw a line just like this, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. It's gonna be two slanted lines, almost as if we were gonna draw the triangle again, right? But I made it shorter. And then from here, I'm gonna draw a line that comes out and it's curved just a little bit. So I'm gonna curve it just a little bit, not too much. And I'm gonna just keep it like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So it just curves out just a tiny bit. And then we could draw his shoes. So his shoes are gonna be two hills. And I'm gonna draw one hill right here. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna draw one hill like this. And then I'm gonna draw one hill like this. And then we could draw two ovals to finish the bottom of the shoes. So I could continue here and I'll draw one oval that goes around like that. And then I'll do the oval on this side. So I'm gonna make another oval that comes around just to finish the shoe. Those are his shoes. And then the rest of the details of his sweater and his pants, we could just draw one solid line coming down here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space up here. So maybe I should start down here. Draw one vertical line coming down like this. And the rest of the details we could add after. So the next thing we could do is draw his arms. And for his arms, I'm gonna draw a curved line coming in this way. So I'm gonna just draw a curved line right here. It's not too big, but it just goes into his sweater. And I'm gonna draw another one on this side, but I'm not gonna go all the way up his sweater. So I'm just gonna come from here, I'm gonna come up, maybe like that much space, and then I'll come up here and I'll curve that same line up. And I'm not going all the way up to the sweater. So I could do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna come here, draw a curve going this way, and then do the same thing at the top. I leave some space here, and then I come up towards the sweater, but I'm not gonna touch the top of the sweater. So those are his arms, and now we have to just draw the hands that are gonna be holding the string that he's pulling from his hoodie. So the strings, I'm gonna leave a little bit of space on the side of his nose, and then that's where I'm gonna draw the string. So I'll leave a little bit of space, and we're gonna draw two vertical lines coming down. So here's one, not too long, and here's the other. Those are the strings of his sweater. And like I left some space here, I'll leave some space here as well. And then I'll draw those two strings coming down vertically. Those are the strings of his sweater. And then from here, we could draw his hands that are gonna be holding it and pulling it because he's super embarrassed and nervous. So for the rest of his sweater, there's a cuff of the sleeve. So I'm gonna draw a curve that's going in to close it. I'm gonna draw a line here and a little horizontal line here, and I'm gonna draw that same curve in to close it. That's that little cuff on his sweater. And then from there, we could draw his hands. So his hands are gonna have to go around the string. So what I could do is I could close the string off right here, make like a little smiley face, and then his hands will go right around it. So I'm gonna draw a curve here that goes up, and then a curve here that goes up as well. And then we're gonna draw his fingers. I'm gonna draw 3. I'm gonna draw one loop like this, or the letter C. And then right attached to that one, I'm gonna draw another letter C. And I'm gonna draw one more letter C. So these are 3 little curves. And then from here, I'm just gonna close this off and I'll connect it like that. And those are his hands. His hands are pulling really tight on his hoodie. And then from there, I'm gonna draw the same thing on this side. So the first thing I'm gonna do is draw the cuff and then his hand. So we could walk through the hand again. So what I did was I drew a curve going up to the strings. It's a curve going up to the strings, and I closed the string off with a little smiley face. I went out and made a curve or a little hill. And then from here, we're gonna draw the things that look like the letter C's, right? But instead of the C, it's gonna be backwards. So we're gonna draw the curves this way. I'm gonna draw one here, just like that. Draw another one right next to it, and then one right below it. So I have 3 little loops, just like I did on this side. And all I have to do is close this off by connecting it just like that. Wow. And there are his hands, pulling tight on his string because he's nervous. And all we have left are the little details. So what I wanted to draw was a zipper. So the zipper is gonna look like a teardrop. And then I'm gonna come in as if I was making the triangle, right? It's super skinny at the top, like this. And then I'm gonna loop it like an oval. And then in the middle, I'm gonna draw a tiny circle. And that's the little zipper that opens his sweater. For his hoodie, I'm gonna make a curved line. He's gonna have pockets where he could put his hands in if he gets nervous. I'm gonna draw a curved line just like this. This curved line is gonna be connected with another curve that goes down into the bottom of his sweater. And I'll do the same thing here. And those are the pockets of his sweater. I'm gonna draw another horizontal line right under this one. And this is just the bottom of his sweater. And then from there, we could just draw the details of his shoes. And I'm gonna draw another curve like this that kind of looks like a smiley face. That's gonna be the bottom of his shoe. We'll just curve it into the oval. And I'll do the same thing on this side, curve it. And what I'm gonna do is on top, I'm gonna draw 2 squares right here, and that's where his laces are gonna go. So what I'm gonna draw is 2 vertical lines in the middle of the oval, just like this. 2 short vertical lines. And all I'm gonna do is close it off with a horizontal line like that. That's where his laces go. And I'm gonna do the same thing here, 1 vertical line like this, 1 vertical line like this, and then close it off with a horizontal line. Last thing we could do is we can make the little creases of his elbow. So just wherever you guys would like, I'm just gonna draw a curve like this. And it looks like his elbow is bending. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna go like this. And you could draw another crease going this way, out, and going this way, out. And have like, it's like all bunched up in the sweater. It looks super cool. So there we have it. There we have our embarrassment. He looks super embarrassed. He looks like he's hiding and he's scared, but he doesn't have to be because he has great friends. So next step is just to color him in. So grab any markers, color pencils, or crayons that you have and come join me to see the final product. Alright guys, so there we have it. There we have Embarrassment from Inside Out. He looks super nervous right now. He's like all bunched up in a ball, but pretty much I used just different shades of purple for his hair, his sweater, and his pants. And there we have it. So hopefully you guys found it easy, and hopefully you guys stay tuned for more cool drawings. See ya!